How the f did we spend $270 on a burger, chicken nuggets, and a chicken sandwich? And a mid hookah? Nah, bruh. You gotta tell me what just happened, bruh. Boys, we really just blew a lot of money on some, it wasn't terrible, but some like not, it wasn't good, but it also wasn't terrible. We could have definitely got better chicken tenders from Chick-fil-A. That's a fact, I ain't gonna lie. That was not worth $270, but it's what it is. It's part of being in Miami, you know what I'm saying? Chat, I'm not gonna lie, I got a shit so bad right now. Like leaning over on the bike right now is like doing that thing where it pushes it towards my ass. You know what I'm talking about? It's so bad, bro. They got the party bus out here. But yeah, chat, we're gonna go on a little highway run. We're gonna probably find somewhere to grab some cigars, find somewhere to take some cool vids, and then head back and hop in the hot tub because it's been a few hours, so that joint should be warm. Alright, chat, we're kind of just in and out of like this South Beach traffic right now. I'm gonna cut the camera off and pick it back up when we get to a point where we're kind of like doing something, because me and Chris are both on limited battery life right now. So I will pick y'all back up in like a very short time. Hey, hit it with one of these for the thumbnail. So fire. God, this is so nice. Oh yeah, I know where we're at. So we got to go past these lights, but then U-turn and come back down this road. Damn! Bro, we got to go there. Yeah, go, go, go. Oh, yeah, we need that. That's what we were looking for, bro. to get up front? Pull up on him. That is so fire, bro. Make a right over here. Brother, this is so fire. Oh, the Lambo. Hold on. We turned. Brother, look at our location. Ping it. Yo, bro. Rev that bitch up, bro. Oh, that's a Turbo S. Brother, that's a Turbo S. That John is fire, bro. Yeah, he didn't even want to say nothing to us. That's crazy. This is fire. We're back. We got some B-roll, and we're gonna go hit a little smoke shop real quick so we can bring some gars back to the crib. This video is all over the place, but we're freaking lit. Oh my god, brother, this shit sounds like a lamb. Brother, this shit sounds like a lamb chop. Do you hear my shit? Brother, that? Brother. Brother, that was crazy. Is he coming in?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's wait for bro. I feel bad. Brother just missed the best part of the day.